yesterday we had seen that we had solution 1 and solution 2, and we gave them equal volume. So they're both 50 milliliters. If you remember, this one was 55 grams, and this one was 60 grams. So now we're making a whole new solution. So right now, how to make this one, we need to put 150 milliliters of water, so that's more than both of them already when we made the solutions previously. And then this one's also 3 spoons of salt. So first I'm going to make the solution with my 50 milliliters of water. Okay, 1. And as I'm doing this, you should be thinking about which one do you think this is going to be? More concentrated, less concentrated, the same concentrated as all the other solutions we've made already. 2. 3. So we have 150 milliliters of water. Now we need our 3 spoonfuls of salts. Okay, then I'll get my pen to mix our solution. So why don't you take a look at the color of this one. Make sure it's mixing in. So we have our 150 milliliters of water and our 3 scoops of salt. Okay, so now we want to compare it to solution 1 and solution 2. But if we remember, we have these already at equal volumes. Now looking at solution 3, is that an equal volume in comparison to solutions 1 and 2? No, this has way much more water in there, a way larger volume. So we need to do the same. So I'm going to take 50 milliliters. I'm going to just make sure to put it in here, and then to make sure we have a perfect 50, because sometimes there's air bubbles using the syringe. So that's pretty filled. Let's see. Perfect. Okay. So this is our solution 3. And I'll move my sticky so we remember that this also now has 50 milliliters of water. So now we have our 3 equal volumed solutions. So when you look at the table, there has 50 milliliters of solution in each one. So now we just need to fill in the mass. But we already did the mass of the equal volumes of solution 1 and solution 2. So solution 1 was 55 grams, and the mass of solution 2 was 60 grams. But now we need to think about 3. We need to figure out how much mass it has. And I'm not going to balance it against anything right now. I'm just going to find the mass of the solution 3. And we're going to see how we can compare it to the other 2 masses, the other 2 solutions. So right now in here, I have the 60 gram pieces from solution 2. So let's see. And already I know that it looks like this is heavier. So, I'm going to say I'm going to take out 5. Oh. You know what? And that's even. So, I took out 5. So, now this is also 55 grams. So, solution 3 is 55 grams. So, why don't you go ahead and you fill out the chart. Then you're going to be answering those 2 questions. So is solution 3 more concentrated, less concentrated, or the same concentrated as solution 2, and why? And then same thing. Is solution 3 more concentrated, less concentrated, or the same concentrated as solution 1? And you're going to also say why. And you're going to be able to answer those questions on those slides as well.